In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the missing Samsung Music app on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. Now you can install this app from both the Galaxy Store and the Google Play Store. All you need to do is open the app and then utilize the search bar and type in Samsung Music. From here, look for it in your search results and then just select install after you've made sure that it's from Samsung Electronics Limited. So just wait patiently for the app to be installed. And when installed, you have the option of launching it from either the Galaxy Store or the Play Store, or you can just go to your home screen and look for it there and launch it like that. Next, you'll need to tap on continue and give Samsung Music basic permissions such as music and audio, as well as the right to send you notifications and access to your microphone. Then tap on continue. Then agree to the permissions. And now, if you have any music on your device, you can easily listen to them using Samsung Music. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.